Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy flood insurance services with the Hartford Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To deploy flood insurance services with the Hartford, begin by setting up an account on their official website. Visit the Hartford's homepage and navigate to the flood insurance section. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information to create your account. After registering, log in to your new account. Review the available flood insurance options tailored for businesses and individuals. Select the type of policy that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form with all requested details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid delays. Review the terms and conditions of the policy before submission. If needed, consult with the Hartford representative for clarification on any terms. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Wait for confirmation that your application has been received. You may receive further communication regarding any additional documentation needed. Once approved, you will receive your policy documents via email. Review your policy documents thoroughly to understand your coverage. Set reminders for premium payments to keep your policy active. If you have any questions, contact the Hartford's customer service for assistance. Stay informed about any updates or changes regarding flood insurance regulations. Regularly assess your coverage needs, especially if your circumstances change. Maintain communication with the Hartford to ensure your policy remains relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.